Aside from the snow pellets straight to the face, it's lovely outside. Just going for a little walk to pick up some dinner, I looked outside of my window and found that it was beautiful outside. It is nighttime, it is snowing, there's lots of snow in the atmosphere and on the ground, so I figured why not take some video and photo and have some fun with it. And the camera we're using for today is the Sony A7S3 20mm f1.8 lens, ECM B1M or B10 microphone, and probably will take the microphone off and put the camera in some sort of a plastic protective bag because I don't want to get it too wet. Let's do it. Got the wind in my face the entire time here. I don't know what kind of audio we're going to be working with. I'm not using a microphone. Aside from the snow pellets straight to the face, it's lovely outside. I like getting these types of shots. And it's something a little bit different too. Got so much snow on my glasses. Well, that was fun. Wet and cold, but fun. Thanks for watching.